Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul. Today we're working on the core. This is our pre-Christmas core workout. Christmas is coming up on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending when you celebrate. So actually we got a workout coming out on Monday, so this is a pre-Christmas workout. Anyway, core, like I said, only 2 different exercises, 4 sets per exercise. This should take 5 or 6 minutes, no more than that. So let's get going in about 5 seconds and I'll see you guys then. All right guys, welcome back. Let's get rocking and rolling. We're going for V-ups. So I'm going to use the bench. You can use anything you want. You can sit on the floor. It's up to you. Try to go for 20 to 25 repetitions per set. Remember, 3 sets and then 1 final burnout set. All right? You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up, keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's take 30 seconds or so and we'll get going again. Nice and simple, nice and basic exercise, but I want you to push it. If 20 was a little light, you know what? Next time you do this, you don't have to watch this video. Go for 20, 25, 30, 35. You can hang a little dumbbell on your feet. Whatever you gotta do, increase the resistance. All right, we got what? A few seconds left and we'll get going for set number 2. We're doing 3 sets and the 4th and final set will be a burnout set. Are you guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and V up with me. Let's go. 25, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on, 8, 9, 10, let's go. 1, push it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, getting tough. 5 more. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, last 1, and 5. Whew, thank God that was over. Let's give ourselves roughly 30 seconds and we'll go again. So on the 4th set, after this third one, we're gonna get done. We're gonna finish our 25, then we're gonna go and do crunches. So you're gonna drop your legs here and just do this, and we're gonna just burn it out as many as we can. So when I'm holding onto this bench, guys, let me move this over a little bit. When I'm holding onto this bench, I'm not pulling myself with my hands. They are just there for support so I don't fall to the ground. All right, ready to go? 3rd and final set. Remember, this is a super set. We're gonna burn it out right after we get done with the initial 25 raises. Ready? 3, 2, 1, legs up and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep it up. 7, 8, 9, almost halfway there. Hey, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 1, 2, it's getting tough. 3, 4, and 5. Give yourself 1 second. Catch your breath and let's go to crunches. Ready? 1, 2, keep it up. We're just gonna keep on doing as many as we can. Let it burn, under control. Let it burn, let it burn. Come on. I got a few more in me. 1, come on. And that's it. Woo! Okay, well that hurt. Hey, that's all right. Good muscular pain, no injuries. We're in good shape, don't worry about it. Hey, I stand up a little bit, stretch it out, shake it out a little. Now we're going to leg raises. So you guys know what to do. Previews are on the screen, you guys, we've done these before. Same thing, we're going for 3 sets with the final set. There'll be a little bit of a twist to it, all right? So let's see how I should set this up for you. I think this is good enough. Leg raises. You guys should be able to see me. Now on these, the microphone is definitely gonna go against my chin. So expect the sound to be a little worse than usual. All right, 25 reps, 3 sets. See if we can manage these. You guys ready to go? Hold on to something. Legs out and legs up. 1, 2,
That's 15. Alright, so we stop at 20.
Okay, I think it was a good start on the first set. What do you guys think? We'll take about 30 seconds. Maybe I'll tap the microphone to my stomach while I'm doing these. Maybe you'll be able to hear me better. We'll find out. Hey, nothing like experimenting live, right? I'll put it back. It is what it is. Let's get moving. You know, one of these days, it's only been 5 years on YouTube. One of these days I'll learn how to get the sound right. Please, if anybody's got better ideas, let me know. All right, that was set number 1. We're going for set number 2. You guys ready? Same thing, 20 reps. Ready? Let's go. 1. Nice and control. Don't drop your legs to the ground. Stop right here. And then 3. 4. 5. Halfway there. Five left. Last one. And relax. Woo. All right. I know, I like standing up between my exercises. Let me flush everything and catch my breath much easier when I'm standing up than when I'm sitting. I shouldn't be looking at my clocks or my watch, see how much break we're gonna take. It doesn't really matter. 30, 45 seconds, 20, 30 seconds, all close enough for government work, as they say, right? That last one hurt. That 20 was tough. But you know what that means? We're gonna do 20 more, and then we're gonna finish it off with some twists for as many as we can. And I'm gonna try not to land on the couch or on the floor as we do those. All right, set number 3, guys. Are you ready to go? I'm ready to go if you're ready. Let's go, lay down, prop up, best form that you can. Remember, I hope you guys can still hear me. And let's go, 3, 2, 1, legs out, legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll be slow now. halfway. 5 left. 1. Last 1. And relax. Woo. All right, done relaxing. Let's finish it off with our superset. Ready? Legs up and then twist with me. Twist it up and up. Well, that was it. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This was our pre-Christmas core workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, push those muscles, get them tired. It's okay, they'll recover. Work your core again tomorrow for a little bit, the day after that. Core recovers really quick. So once again, thanks for joining me at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I'll see you guys during your next workout.